Welcome to a brief tutorial on setting up your CEE itinerary. With this tool, sending itineraries becomes a breeze, and today, I'll guide you through the process. Do you see the gear icon? That's your settings. A new window will pop up. Here, you'll want to focus on the Mail tab. Now, you have 3 distinct options for emailing itineraries. If you're an Outlook user and have it installed on your computer, this is a straightforward choice. Simply select this option and hit Save. That's it. Your itineraries will now be dispatched from your Outlook email. For those who lean towards Gmail, select the radio button adjacent to the Gmail logo. Input the address where you'd like a copy to be sent and click on Test Email to copy address. A Google authentication page will appear. Here, choose the Gmail account you'd like to use for sending itineraries. A couple of confirmations, and you're all set. If you have a specific mail client or want a more customized setup, this is your go-to option. Click on its radio button and fill in the necessary fields. If you're not sure about any of the details, feel free to consult your IT team or the company managing your mail server. For additional help, our online guide is just a click away. Look for the How to Set Up Email Center. And there you have it. With a few simple steps, your CEE itinerary is primed and ready to send out your itineraries efficiently.